Hello all, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. Hope you are doing well. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates. In order to apply for these jobs, I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also check the link below in the description box. Today we can see that there are so many job notifications. Here we can see that Embedded Sense Solutions hiring for JavaScript developers for freshers, Temenos bulk recruitment for freshers, IBM is hiring for interns for research internship, and Cashew internship on web development. Oracle is hiring for software development senior manager. Capgemini is hiring for Capgemini has been merged with Global Edge Software Limited, and they are hiring for software analyst. And Amazon is hiring for associate quality service engineer. Oracle is hiring for software developer. Amazon is hiring for QA technician, and Infosys is hiring for system engineer. There are so many opportunities. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any of the job opportunities. Now let us see how to apply for IBM. IBM is hiring for internship for research internship. It is for research. Now let us see the complete job description and about the organization. This job type is research internship. As all of us know that IBM is a very big MNC and in full international business mission corporation. IBM stands for leading American computer manufacturer with a major share of the market both in the United States and abroad. It is headquartered or its headquarters are in Armonk, New York, computing tabulating recording company in a consideration of three smaller companies that made punch card, tabulators and other office products. The company assumed its present name in 1924 under the leadership of Thomas Watson, a man of considerable marketing skill who became general manager in 1914 and had gained complete control of the firm by 1924. Watson built the then founding company into the leading American manufacturer of punch card tabulating systems used by government and private businesses. He also developed a highly and competitive sales force that adapted the company's custom built tabulating systems to the need of particular customers. IBM aims to lead in the creation, development, and manufacture of industry's most advanced information technologies, including computer systems, software, network systems, storage devices, and microelectronics. Its worldwide network of IBM solutions and network professionals translates these advanced technologies into business values for our customers. IBM translates these advanced technologies into value for its customers through their professional solutions, services, and considering businesses worldwide. This is about IBM. IBM is a very good company. I request you to please apply any of the job or internship anything in IBM. Since it is an MNC, it will follow some rules and regulations, and the work culture is also very good. So I request you to please apply for that. And job posted date is November 10, 2021. Location is Bangalore for this particular internship. Eligibility is BTech post graduation. Work mode is offline. Stipend is negotiable. They haven't mentioned anything. Based on your skills, they will be offering that stipend. Responsibilities are like work on research analysis, focus on worldwide of projects in explanatory and applied research from multiple domains. Now let us see the requirements. Candidates should have exceptional consulting skills and analytical abilities for the understanding of customer journey. Students must be enrolled in any of the following degree programs like BTech, MS, MTech, PhD. Preferred degrees include computer science, mathematics. Students should have good hands-on experience in one or more of these programming languages widely used in open source community projects such as Go, mm, Python, Ruby, C++, Java, Node.js, JavaScript, etc. Students should have been decent in Linux programming exposure. Good to have some exposure to open source projects with Kubernetes or big data platform communities such as Native, Operators, Fluented, uh, Prometheus, Elastic Research, etc. So all these are all new technologies. I think it is a very good opportunity if you are studying any BTech, MS, MTech. PhD. For you guys, it is a very good opportunity. Why? Because based on the current trends in the market, like current trends in the IT company, you will be using all these skills. And if you do internship on these type of skills, it will be add on advantage to your profile. I'm sure that it will gives you a lot of benefit in future, even if you are studying any second year, third year, or fourth year, BTech or MTech or anything. So it will be a very good thing. I request you to please apply for this job if you are eligible. And I request you to please have a good knowledge on these skills, like basic things, so that you will be able to crack the interviews and all. In order to apply for this job, I request you to please go through the complete job description, and the last day to apply is December 1st, 2021. To apply, just click on this official link. It will be redirected to the website. Let's wait for this. Here you can see the research internship. Here you can see the research internship. Application deadline is 1st December, 1:47 p.m. IST. Pre-registration and location is Bangalore, as we discussed, and region is India. Like total these many people have applied for this. I request you to please apply for this. Application deadline is 1st December 2021, or not before 1:47 p.m. I request you to please apply Indian Standard Timing. I request you to please apply for this. In order to apply, just click on this registration. You need to enter your email ID, password, login, and then click on login, or else you can also just complete your at first you need to click on the sign up, then you will be able to click on login. If and also you can also apply through your directly through the Gmail, by clicking on Gmail, or else through Facebook, but it is suggested to use only Google. So I request you to please apply. It is a very good opportunity, and all of us know that IBM is a very good company, and it will provide so many opportunities. And here you can find the complete descriptions and other jobs also there. I request you to please just apply for this. This is a very great opportunity for you guys, since it is an internship. Earlier they used, like, MNCs won't be providing the internships earlier, but nowadays things has changed. A good company like IBM is providing internships, so I request you to please visit our website and apply through the official link, so that you will be able to apply. And just apply if you are eligible. And there are so many job vacancies, other job vacancies also in our website. I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. And if you have any concerns or questions, or else if you want more videos on any particular topics, or else any jobs, just comment below, so that we will be able to create more videos, so that we will be able to help you. So I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that it gives us more motivation for us to do more videos. I request you to please subscribe, so that we will be able to help you a lot. I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.